Candida here, and I wanted to share with you the perfect Petzzz Beagle. I absolutely adore the Beagle. This little toy dog is so cute and realistic that it almost feels like you have a real pet in the house. The attention to detail on this toy is amazing, from the lifelike fur to the gentle breathing motions. Now, if you look very closely right here, you're going to see it breathing. The pet also comes with its own bed and a certificate of adoption. One of the things I love most about this toy is it doesn't require any special care or attention like a real pet would. You don't have to worry about feeding it or taking it for walks, which makes it great for people who love animals but don't have time or resources to care for the pets. This animal is great for kids and adults. My daughter loves carrying this dog around. She loves to pet it. It's super soft and it just brings her joy. My grandfather is in the nursing home with Alzheimer's, and he also loves this pet. He has really been missing his animals, and so I got him one of these for his room, and he also holds on to it and pets it, and it's very calming for him. The perfect pet is quiet, it's peaceful, and it makes a great companion for anyone. It's so calming to watch the toy's gentle breathing motions, and if you listen quietly, you can even hear it snoring. So I hope you found this review helpful.